Hi everyone, we're going to do our Memorial Day science experiment today. We have our packet from the SAM that was sent to Remind. In front of it is our FireWorks directions and then our 4-step process. We are going to point and find our items, do the experiment, and then check. Our first step is to observe. What do we need? We need room temperature water. So I have my water in a clear glass and I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to get it warm. We need oil, vegetable oil, food coloring. I have yellow, green, red, and blue, a clear glass, another clear glass, and then a fork, and then don't forget your core boards. We are going to turn our page to predict. We find our triangle. What will it do? Will our experiment stay the same? Make fireworks or bubble? Bingo dabber and make a choice. I think fireworks. Our third step is to explore. It's time to look, listen. We're not gonna taste today. Feel and smell. Our first step is to put the water in a clear glass. That's room temperature, so it's warm. You can feel your glass. Mine feels warm, so it's ready to go. Our second step is put 2 tablespoons of oil in the other glass. So I have a measuring glass, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons so we can practice with the words. Put in our bowl. And stop. Our third step is to put food coloring in the oil. So we can practice picking our favorite colors, making a choice. I'm gonna pick between blue and red for Memorial Day. Red first. I'm gonna put a few drops into the oil. And you can pick a different color. Blue. Put in. And now we stir our food coloring with a fork. You can take your fork and stir them around. Look how they're not really breaking. They're kind of staying the same shape. Hear the fork. Our fifth step is put the oil into the water and watch what happens. Ready, set, go. Whoa. The fireworks go up. They're kind of bubbling though. The fireworks are bubbling. And the colors mix together to make purple. We can look on the top. Tons of bubbles. But the fireworks popped and went up. Our last step is to check. So we can go back to what our predictions were. And Miss Sam said fireworks, but there was fireworks and bubbles in our jar. So I'm gonna put fireworks, and it did bubble when it went up. So my prediction is different. It was different. We can reflect on our science experiment and say how it made us feel. You can say, I liked it, or I did not like it. I liked it. I thought it was fun. I thought it looked cool. And I thought it was funny. Our science experiment is all done. Let's see your fireworks and how they turn out.